Hello, this is Neil Moore, and this is an extension of the previous video on creating trunks and VLANs between a Cisco 3750 and an HP N5810. One of the requests that came in shortly after making this video was, can you show us how to do IPv6 on between these two devices in addition to IPv4? So the first thing we need to do is, on a 3750, by default, it does not have the IPv6 stack turned on. So you have to do a show SDM prefer, and it'll tell you at the top here which one is turned on. If it doesn't say that, then what you have to do is go into config T, SDM prefer, and then a dual stack, and then for routing. And I've already got that enabled, so after you save that, you're going to have to save and then reload your router. Then after that, you're going to have the IPv6 stack available to you. And as this is being an extension of the previous lab, I have trunking turned on right here between my two devices, between the 3750 and the 5810. So I'm just going to go into config T. I'm going to use VLAN 1 on this one. Nice and straightforward. You can use 20 or 30 for this particular one, but it doesn't make any difference for this particular run. And then I'm going to do IPv6 address, and then 200. I'm just picking numbers. You just pick ones that are in the correct location. And we'll go over here. Similar to the commands for the 3750, you have to do an IPv6 to turn on the routing process for v6. And then we'll go into LAN 1, IPv6 address, and we're going to make sure we stay in the same area. Of course it exists. And then we're going to come out. Now I can just do a ping of the other side of the link. Let's try for this side. Sure it works for that. Okay, over here, PV6, V6, there we go. And what I didn't do on the previous one there, why the ping said unknown host, because it defaults to IPv4. And that's it for this one. That's showing how IPv6 is configured. I'll include the step-by-step the configs in the YouTube video. Thanks. Bye.